Have you ever been in a car accident? It's a stressful and scary experience, but it's important to know that you're not alone. In this video, we will review another strong contender in the insurance arena. We will give you a comprehensive review of Travelers car insurance. We'll cover everything you need to know, from coverage options to pricing to customer service. We'll also compare Travelers to other leading car insurance companies so you can make the best decision for your needs. But if you're in a hurry, looking for the best car insurance coverage at the most affordable price, visit FreeAdvice.com today to compare quotes from companies like Travelers. You could save hundreds of dollars on your car insurance coverage. Whether you're a new driver or a seasoned pro, watch this video till the end to choose the right car insurance coverage for your specific needs. Now, let's dive in and see what makes Travelers Insurance stand out. With over 165 years in the game, Travelers has earned its stripes as a heavyweight. And when it comes to these crucial ratings, Travelers Auto Insurance has nailed it. Travelers Auto Insurance has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and an A++ rating from AM Best, which are both indications of positive customer service and financial ratings. But wait, there's still a treasure trove of info waiting for you. If you're all about making things easy, head over to FreeAdvice.com, compare, and shop for car insurance quotes hassle-free. Just punch in your zip code using our free search tool and voila! You'll find the insurance answers you seek or be presented with a plethora of options tailored just for you. Now, let's keep the wheels turning and find out what Travelers Auto Insurance customers have to say. The real deal, straight from the people who've been in the driver's seat. So here's the lowdown. Believe it or not, Travelers Auto Insurance customer reviews are pretty impressive. There are only 658 complaints in the last 3 years against the company. And considering Travelers' extensive customer base, that's pretty good. And fear not, there's more to this story. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners gives Travelers a complaint score below 1, signaling that they have received fewer than average complaints. It's like getting a gold star in the world of insurance customer satisfaction. Sure, some customers express their gripes, especially with customer service, but let's be real, it's par for the course in the insurance game. So overall, Travelers seems to be cruising with low complaint scores, hinting at a decent track record in customer service, and handling auto insurance claims. Now, let's cut to the chase and break down the insurance coverage options offered by Travelers. When it comes to the basics, Travelers has your back. The company offers the standard liability auto insurance coverages required by each state. While not every insurance company steps up to the plate with the add-ons customers crave, Travelers goes the extra mile with options like roadside assistance and gap coverage. If you're looking for something specific, Travelers Auto Insurance coverage options offer a lot to choose from. In addition to the must-haves like liability, collision, and comprehensive auto insurance, Travelers has several other coverage options. The company offers accident forgiveness, gap insurance, non-owner auto insurance, new car replacement, rental auto insurance coverage, and a lot more. If you're into classic cars, made some modifications, or need SR22 coverage, Travelers might not be the perfect match. For those needs, you might want to shop elsewhere. And for that situation, you need to skip the hassle. Head over to FreeAdvice.com right now. Use our free insurance quote tool, pop in that zip code, and let the magic happen. Get the answers you need, or discover a tailored array of options. It's that easy. Now let's dissect Travelers Auto Insurance rates by state. Remember, these numbers aren't just pulled out of thin air. Insurers consider local factors like crime rates, weather, crash statistics, and more when setting the rates. Now, let's crunch some more numbers when it comes to Travelers' auto insurance rates. Let's take a look at the average rates for both minimum and full coverage. Travelers is holding its ground with a minimum rate of $37 each month. Not bad, right? The average minimum coverage rate in the US is sitting at $45. So Travelers is playing the budget-friendly card here. When it comes to full coverage, Travelers is still holding its own. With a rate of $99, the company is keeping things in check. Compare that to the average full coverage rate of $119, and Travelers could potentially save you $20 each month on car insurance coverage. But don't stress over the numbers and make a rush decision right now. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and take advantage of our free search tool. Just enter your zip code, and you'll discover many more options. With these affordable rates, you might ask how Travelers stacks up against the competition. How do Travelers' full coverage auto insurance rates play out in the grand scheme of things? Travelers offers rates slightly lower than the national average, but being slightly lower doesn't necessarily mean they're the absolute cheapest on the block. When it comes to full coverage, Travelers offers coverage for around $99 a month for drivers 30 and up. Again, these rates are not the most expensive, but they're also not the cheapest. GEICO, for example, offers monthly rates as low as $80 for drivers in their 40s. While Travelers might not wear the crown for the absolute cheapest rates, the company isn't breaking the bank either. And remember, these numbers can vary based on your driving history, zip code, and other factors. Another reminder is that if you're now ready to simplify your insurance quest, head over to FreeAdvice.com where you can easily compare and shop for car insurance quotes. Just use our free quote search toolbar and pop in your zip code. Whether you're on the hunt for the cheapest rates or exploring options tailored just for you, FreeAdvice.com is your insurance companion. But we still have something to discuss. Let's dive into the world of Travelers auto insurance discounts, because who doesn't love saving some hard-earned cash? Travelers offers a whole lineup of discounts that could significantly lower your rates. Travelers auto insurance discounts include the Affinity discount, Continuous insurance discount, Good student discount, Hybrid or electric car discount, Multi-car discount, New car discount, Safe driver discount, and a lot more. The savings vary depending on the discount, but Travelers tends to be extra generous with those related to safe driving. Drivers can save up to 30% on their car insurance coverage by staying accident-free and avoiding points on their driver's license related to moving violations. So, continue to explore your options, and don't forget, if you want to make the insurance journey a breeze, head over to FreeAdvice.com, compare and shop for car insurance quotes hassle-free by just using our free search tool. Whether it's finding answers to your insurance questions or diving into options tailored just for you, FreeAdvice.com has got your back. It's about time to wrap up our Travelers car insurance adventure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insurance insights. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below, especially if you've got the inside scoop on Travelers. Let us know about your experience as a policyholder. And don't forget to head over to FreeAdvice.com, compare quotes, explore options from different providers, and make your insurance decisions a breeze. While you're at it, be sure to check out our car insurance reviews on the General and Progressive. When you watch those after learning more about Travelers, you'll be able to make a well-informed decision about your auto insurance provider. Last but not least, share this video with friends or family on the insurance hunt. You never know who might welcome this helpful information. Until next time, happy travels on the insurance highway.